Good morning and welcome to our first week of our Spring 2021 Raising a Reader program. I'm Miss Jessica, and every Monday at 11 a.m. I'm going to read a story with you. So every week, participants in this program will get to pick up a grab-and-go bag from the library, and there will be a book in that bag. And every week I'm going to read that book out loud to you. This week's book is called Rain, Rain, Go Away. It's also a song. Have you heard it before? Do you like the rain or do you want it to go away? Let's find out what this little girl on the cover thinks about the rain. It says, Rain, Rain, Go Away by Jayne Church. Rain, rain. Is it raining outside right now? Quick, go look out your window. Is it raining in the story? Yes, it is. Go away. How do you think that our main character here feels about the rain? Come again another day. The little children want to play. Do you like to play outside like the children in this story? So rain, rain, please go away. Hooray! What happened? Why do you think they're happy? Good job, and that's the end of our story. Rain, rain, go away. Thank you for joining me for this week's story time. Don't forget to stop by your local library branch and pick up this week's grab-and-go bags. We'll see you again next Monday at 11. Bye!